Just with the snakes there. Beach bar. Look at that. Super. Some busy here as well. Very nice seating areas actually, this. Dancing in the dark with you. Just preparing it there now. Yes. How are you, brother? Sardawa, aka Garlic Lane. Quite busy and some copyright music going on. We'll have to block that out. Not super busy in the ocean, but a few people in there. Here as well. Pies, pasties, sausage rolls. Beanbags only smile. Good Saturday afternoon from Legian here in Bali. So I'm sat here at my table here at Legian Beach, just having a tea bottle. Nice drink, this Indonesian drink. I've almost finished now. And what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour of a section of Legian Beach. So Legian Beach is a relatively big beach here. I'm only going to feature a section in today's video. My starting point is going to be at the main gate entrance to Legian 66 beaches. You have Scenic 66 beach to the right, where I'm going to be starting, and Legian Beach to the left. So I'm going to go gradually, I think I'm going to start and take you to Scenic 66 beach there. We'll see what the activity's like on the beach there. Just give you a brief look at that section, and then we'll drift back onto the Legian Beach area. We'll zigzag in the beach location and also the pathway that runs along the back of the beach. Lots of food and drink sellers here running along the back of the beach. You can get alcohol, soft drinks, simple, lots of simple Indonesian foods and things available also here. Lots of different types of seating. You have beanbag seating, plastic chair seating, sun lounges with soft cushion tops. I'll take you down and have a look at the ocean also, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from this section of Legian Beach here on a Saturday evening around about sunset. So it is around about approaching sunset, which is around about, I think, 6:20, 6:30, somewhere around about that time. So hopefully we can capture that as well in the video. Just want to give you a general idea of what the activity is like here in Bali at this current moment in time. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here at Legian Beach. Okay, here's a start point for today's video. The main gate entrance to Legian and 66, Scenic 66 beach on the right, Legian beach on the left. So here's the car parking area for a few cars and motorbikes. I think it's 2,000 entrance for a motorbike, maybe 5 for cars. Parking area here as well for cars. And then here we are now at the shelter Cabanam Arjuna. So I'll just walk you in. So Legian Beach is actually on that side. We're going to just take you to Scenic 66 beach first of all, just have a look at it, see what's going on here. I'll feature this beach section in another video as well. Maybe I'll come and eat here as well. This is my preference of beach locations here. Usually a little bit of a better standard of restaurants on this side. Nice big seating areas, not too busy though. Should be getting busy at this time because we're approaching sunset, but not too busy at the moment. View here. I love view. And little swings over there as well. There's the reverse of the shelter there. We're going to head back now towards Legian Beach. It's actually quite busy on the beach, in fairness. A few down by the ocean as well. And this is Legian Beach here. So I'll just show you some of the different seating options, what you've got. You do have sun lounges and things available. Very nice. DJI! Good, good. Okay, so I'm just on the pathway now at the back of the beach. Seating areas at the back here. Tiger Itchy Bum Bar. I'm not sure whether this is a second one or whether its moved location was further down the beach. There's a little places where they serve the food and drinks from at the back here. So we have the Zen Beach Bar and Kitchen here. Copyright music going on, we'll have to block that out. It's one of the fixed bars that's available here. Some tourists here. There's your seating areas here, Zen. Beanbag seating. Wow, nice. Not super busy, but wish we can see people here. Showing the henna tattoo there. So something on the legs, some kind of tattoo on the legs there. And then we're going to take you down and have a look at this ocean. Let's give you a look back at the beach first. A very, very low flying drone here. There's the ocean. So the ocean tide has changed a lot since I was last here. It's very, very different now. Not super busy in the ocean, but a few people in there. Okay, just walking back up towards the pathway now. I want to show you this one here. This is one of the popular ones for the Indonesians here. So many of them come for the back, so a few Indonesian here. This one here, choo choo, ice cream. And this is the Bakso one that's very, very popular. Beef sappy Bakso. Just preparing it there now. Yes. How are you, brother? This is a popular one for Indonesia. You see here we have quite a few tourists as well. Good. Nice to see. I love it when we've got lots of tourists. If there's no tourists, I don't like filming. So we'll walk in here. Children. Yeah, nice. Good few tourists. Guy with the nuts there. We just missed one at the back of the beach here. Some sports TV. Some of the guys. Hello.
How are you? You want a cold beer?
What's this bar here? In the seating areas. Do actually have the football sport on the TVs there. Okay, just walking along the back of the track now. Lots of the little bars of it again at the back of the track here. Four Kings Bar. Let's walk back on the beach. Tourists. It's not super busy, but there's enough here. Maybe we can discover some more as we keep walking along. It's mainly Indonesian.
Izin dulu sampai tanggal 30
There's a guy playing music here somewhere. So we have a guy with the music over here. Indonesian family. Let's go and take a look at him. There he is.
No, I'm thinking
Start singing now.
Give the respect time for generation. this life.
Continue on. All the umbrellas are huge here. Some toilet and shower facilities at the back of the beach there. Big group of Western tourists here. Probably the best summer house bar, this one. Oh, we're getting a little bit busy here. Guy there's having a massage. Lady's super friendly. Yeah, we've got a good groups of tourists here at this beach area. Some there having the picture taken. Nice. Yeah, you've got a good, nice amount of tourists here. Nice. Girls there are singing for the photos. Oh, we have nice big groups here as well. Yeah, this area seems to be quite popular here. Oh. Pictures with the snakes there.
Maybe, yeah.
It's got a yellow one there. Jerry's Beach Bar, this one. Frank's Bar next door. Oh my God, they've even put the flat screen TV up here. So there's a look at that TV there. People sat back watching the sunset in the distance. Wow, how beautiful is this? Oh, this is a new one, Sunset Hut. Nice and busy here as well. Very nice seating areas actually, this. Nice seating, nice tables and chairs. Sunset Hut. Wow, very nice. I'll just show you at the back of the beach as well. There's a nice area at the back of the beach. The deck, Bali. Flat screen TVs in there as well, watching the football. Oh, any Australian here. There we are. Some information, pies, pasties, sausage rolls. Beanbags only smile. Wow. The green. I think this is a new one as well, the green. Lance's Beach Bar. This is one of the most colourful ones, beautiful area this on the beach. Very nice. Mixture of tables and chairs, plastic chairs, soft cushion tops, wooden tables, beanbag seating as well there. Very, very nice. The JBs. Oh. Let's get back on the pathway. So not everywhere is super busy, but at least there's something for the locals. Oh, this one's quite busy again. The football's on the screen TV. I think that's where most of the people are at the moment. Some kind of footballs on. This bar.
See you, yeah?
Cadet Beach Bar. Seating areas there. Bali, the Balloon Beach Bar. Katut Sunset Bar here. Wow, nice. Oh, so we have a busy one here as well, the Lucky Beach Bar. Look at that. Super. Looks as though they're setting up for live music here as well. I'll just come back to this at the end. They're just setting up now. I'll try and get some of the music. A little bit of a quieter area again here. And then this is where I'm going to finish today's video. This bar restaurant at the back here. Big group of tourists here as well. Oh, nice. We have a local beach house here. I think this is the same as the local on Jalan Sardawa, aka Garlic Lane. Quite busy inside of there. Big group of Australian there. And we have a beautiful seating area here as well. Just take you through and just show you they've got music here as well. Nice. Just show you the seating areas as well. You have nice lounging areas here. Beautiful sunset there in the distance. Very nice. That's where we finish today's video.
Darling, just try
there we are.
And follow Bali. Dancing in the dark with you between my arms.
Okay, so that concludes today's video on my stroll here at Legian Beach for sunset time. So as you saw with the camera, beautiful sunset in today's video. The sky lit up quite a bit there. Was a lot busier actually here at Legian Beach than I anticipated. I've been still keeping in contact with Bali, even though I've been overseas in Thailand and Vietnam for the last almost 2 months. I do watch and keep up to date with things, how it is here. It's been a lot of people posting it's quiet, it's this, it's that. However, to me personally, I'm not going to say Legian Beach was super busy today, because it wasn't, but there was enough here. There's enough international tourists. There was a lot of local Indonesian as well. People experiencing the great vibes here that you always get at sunset time here at Legian Beach. Food and drink sellers line the back of the beach here. Alcohol, soft drinks, simple foods available, mainly Indonesian foods. This section where I'm sat at the beach is very popular for the bakso, particularly amongst Indonesians. If you want to sample that and try that during your holiday here in Bali. Lots of different seating areas, beanbag seating, sun lounger seating, soft cushion tops, plastic chairs, wooden tables, all very, very simple seating areas, simple food and drinks available from the sellers at the back of the beach, but just really, really great vibes always at sunset time here at Legian Beach. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and pay Legian Beach a visit during your holiday stay here in Bali. And I shall say bye for now.